The Canon error code 1430 occurs when a Canon printer fails to recognize a cartridge. This issue can arise due to several common causes, including the use of incompatible cartridges and incorrect installation of the cartridge. To resolve the 1430 error, it is essential to use the correct cartridges for the printer. When purchasing a new ink cartridge, it is crucial to select one that is compatible with the printer to avoid recognition issues. The user manual can provide the correct specifications of the cartridges that are compatible with the printer. Proper installation of the cartridges is also vital. This involves opening the scanning cover unit, unlocking the cartridges from their docks, removing the color B and C cartridges, and then reinstalling the cartridges correctly. The cartridges must be locked securely in place, and the two joint buttons pressed down. Afterwards, the ink covers and the scanning cover should be closed. It is also important to handle the printer with care to avoid tilting it and causing ink spills. If these steps do not resolve the issue, it may be necessary to seek advice from a trained technician for further troubleshooting.